Hi everyone. This is a topic regarding God, energy, science and spirituality. In this session we are going to cover about the God particles, the journey of God particles such as neutron, proton, electron, photon, etc. to God via God energy. In other words, in this universe, lot of mysteries are there, and we are not in a position to find the solution for that, though we are very near to that. But as far as theory is concerned, we are very far away even today. God energy concept, if it is clear to us, we will be knowing about the many mysteries surrounding us in this universe. So which will be automatically replied, or you will come to know yourself without telling much by others. You will be in a position to know why the things are happening so. Because most of us are very exciting to know so many things, but we don't know. And science is also very far away as far as theory is concerned. But what are the practically we have achieved in the science, that is true and correct, formulas are correct, but theory, whatever the theory says, still we are very far away from the facts. So these things will be clear only if we know the concept of God energy. Then everything, every mystery in the universe will be clear to us, and we ourselves will be in a position to resolve those mysteries. Will be excited, very interesting to know many things, but we don't know because of various reasons, because basic concepts of God energy are not clear to us today. Though there is a great relation between everything in this universe, but because in the science we are trying to research or trying to search the replies or the answers on an individual basis. A few examples I will quote here, which are very common, and most of us would like to know what are these things, why it is happening so. For example, most of us know that Earth is moving at a speed of 1400 kilometers per hour. But when the question of believing comes, we all of us think how it is possible. We are sitting very comfortably on the earth. It means because we are also moving at the same speed. But can we believe it? When the question comes, how it is possible? Why the nitrogen and oxygen are not getting escaped from the atmosphere? What is the reason? Who is containing these gases in our atmosphere? Why the ocean water is not dropping when we are in the space? Why the earth is not getting scattered while moving in the space? How the plants are growing, how we are surviving, how we grow, how we are being produced. Each and everything in this universe is being produced through the God energy only. And what is this God energy? We might have heard about this thing, electrons, protons, neutrons, photons and other such particles. But from where it has come, all those things, and what it contains, who has produced these things, and how it is moving, how the heavenly bodies are moving, how the stars are moving, how the solar system is functioning, how the planets are moving. What are the theories given by the scientists? Those are at very, very, very immature or preliminary stage, because this you will come to know yourself once you will know the concept of God energy. Because this is not so simple. Whatever we are saying, these heavenly bodies, galaxies are moving, we find it very simple, as if, and our theories are also too simple like that. But this is very, very complex system. So if we know these things, we will be knowing most of the mysteries prevailing around us in this universe. Then we will be clear about the solar system, about the sun, how the sun is working, how we are getting continuously energy from the sun, whether really Earth is a part of the sun. Can you believe that? May not be, because sun is consisted of this thing, helium and hydrogen gases, and its weight is only 40,000 metric tons, which may be equivalent to 3-4 big buildings in any city. The composition of the Earth is totally, entirely different from that of sun. Then how it is happening? How can we say Earth is a part of the sun? And there are so many other regions also to prove these things, but we'll cover these things slowly and gradually, step by step, as we proceed further. Whether really astrology functions, whatever we study in astrology, that is true. Whether really black hole exists, the existence of black hole is there or not, that is another area. That is another mystery. If it is so, then how it is working, how things are working in a black hole. What is the mystery of Bermuda Triangle? These things will come to know yourself when you know about the God energy functioning. How the satellites are functioning, how the satellites are staying here without any fuel, they are moving. How the other planets are working or moving. How the galaxies are moving. How our body is working. So many factories are working in doing processing job in our body itself. How we are breathing, how our heart is functioning, how our brain is functioning. If everything is in our brain, then why can't we decide everything in the beginning of our life itself? Do we have any control over it? No, we don't have. Then why? Question arises, why or how? Because telepathy is there, hypnotism is there, magic is there. How do we get shivered when we urinate during especially winter season? From where these energies are coming and how these are working on us? You might be getting surprised that sometimes you hear in the TV that in some temple, masjid, mosque, church or gurdwara, some miracle has taken place. But miracles are happening in the universe everywhere. And we don't know. We lock the room of the temple or other religious places, and in the morning we find something miracle is happening. something we kept there, it is not available, it is somewhere else, and nobody has gone inside.